Today I'm going to show you how to sign up for Amazon Associates, so stay tuned.
Hey guys, what's going on? This is Drew Gallagher here, helping you to accelerate your life and your business. So today I got a great one for you. We're going to talk about how to sign up for Amazon Associates. Amazon Associates is the affiliate program where you can sell Amazon products and refer them, and then you can get a commission. So let's dive right in. So I'm going to go through this like anybody new to this would. I am going to just search Amazon Associates program in Google, and as you can see, it comes up Amazon Affiliate Program. So what we can do is we can click on that link, and then you'll go to this home page, and it kind of explains what all goes into Amazon Associates. So it says profit from our experience. So you're referring Amazon products and services in some cases. And you're going to earn a commission, which is super cool. So you can earn up to 10% advertising fees with the trusted e-commerce leader. That's true. Amazon is a powerhouse in that area. And it's super easy to join. Basically how it works is you sign up with your information, and then you advertise using some traffic platform, and then you start earning commissions. So to sign up, we click Join Now. And what you would do is you would either sign in with your credentials, or you'd create your own Amazon account, and you go through this process. And then once you go through the process, I can show you what it looks like once you log in. So when you try to log in with your Amazon account, this is what will happen. It will have your information over here. And what you do is you kind of go through this workflow. Now I've already done this, but I think I'll just do it again with this information. I already have an account, but essentially you'll hit next if your information is correct. And then what they want to know is like what websites and mobile apps do you have? And the reason they ask this is they want to know how you're going to advertise their products. So they want to be able to see, like, is your website legitimate? Is it legal? Is it, does it fit Amazon's platform? So this is where you're going to put your funnel pages, or your YouTube channel, or your Instagram, or whatever your platform is that you're driving traffic to Amazon referral links. So for me, I would have added my website, but essentially you could just put anything here. You could put, mywebsite.com or whatever, and then you can hit add, and then it's going to add a list of websites. And it says you can add up to 50 websites or mobile apps. So that's between these two. If you have a mobile app, that's great too. There are instructions here for what you can add. So you have to be the owner of like your Facebook or Twitter to add them. So there's certain requirements for certain types of pages, but for the most part, it's pretty lenient. So once you enter that information, let's just enter a site. Hit next, and it will ask like about children and like what they're targeted at. My site doesn't have that. So then what you'll do is you'll just enter an ID here. It can be anything like my site -1 or John Smith or whatever your name is. It's an ID that you're going to remember and have. Again, there's instructions here, and like to create your ID, so you can read those. And then you describe like what your websites and mobile apps are about. So, it's a step further. You're saying like, okay, I have this funnel page. Maybe you're trying to sell beauty products or something. And you say, okay, this is my website to have a bridge page, talk about my story and how I'm so passionate about selling beauty products that I can endorse, or sports, or whatever your product is. And that way Amazon's like, oh, okay, so it makes sense. And then they see that you're trying to help them get sales. Like if you just had like a blog that wasn't related to the product, or something derogatory that wasn't related to Amazon, then it wouldn't be a good fit, and you probably wouldn't be approved. You can pick the topic, so this is kind of like where you pick your niche, like your different industry stuff. You can pick secondary topics. So if you're like a digital marketer, you might pick something like education and business, or if like you're an IT person, computers. You can do music if you're into music, all sorts of stuff. You can add a bunch of topics. You can choose the different types of products you can sell from Amazon. I think I checked like all of these, because even though my current niche is like business related, I might want to go into anything like tools and industrial or health and beauty even. You know, I don't think you should limit yourself. And then you can talk about like what kind of products, or you can talk about what type of like websites and mobile apps that you have. So you can say, okay, do you have coupons? Are you more of like a search website or a search engine listing? Are you a shopping engine like a Shopify site or something? Are you a niche website? You know, that is what I would put there. Just try your best with these categories. Then this is specific to how you're driving traffic. So if you're doing like social media ads, I suppose you could check like 3 of these, right? You could do like social networks, like that's, like if you're doing like Facebook and Instagram ads, you could do that. Display advertising isn't probably directly related to social media, but you can do that. And then paid search. I guess that would be more like keywords for Google, but it doesn't really specify that. SEO would be more like search stuff, email marketing. I checked a bunch of these too. If you have any leads, that's lead generation. So I would just check the ones that are specific to what you're doing in your funnel. And then you talk about how you're going to generate income. So for this, it depends what kind of business you have. You know, if you're doing affiliate marketing, if you're doing e-commerce, you know, it really depends. If you know, it depends on the type of business that you have. So are you doing, you know, an affiliate program? Or are you doing Amazon Associates? Is the only way you monetize your site. So it's talking about like how your websites and apps make income. So for this part, you're just going to talk about, so for this question, it's saying, how do you utilize your websites and apps to generate income? So essentially, you're just saying like, okay, do you, like for example, do you use the eBay affiliate program? Do you have a Shopify store? Do you only use Amazon Associates? They want to know what other products you're selling and what other businesses you're networking with. Just try your best here. If you're just starting out, you know, you might be in the less than 500 range, or you could be way over that. I don't think it matters that much as long as you talk about like what your site is geared toward and what your niche is, because as long as you're trying to comply and drive traffic at some point, Amazon doesn't care if you're a big player or a small player, as long as you're playing the game and you're playing it fairly. So just be honest in these areas. Same here with your primary reason to monetize or to get rich content from my site. Really, you could do both there. I think I said monetize just because that was my goal. And then you could talk about how you heard about them. Then you enter this CAPTCHA. And then once you finally sign up and get approved, you can go to the dashboard. And the dashboard has like your account information, what products you're trying to sell, how many clicks they're getting, all sorts of different analytic information, different products you can choose. So once you get into here, you know, you can really start to find products and start marketing them. So I can talk about how to sell those products in another video. If you want to hear about that, just leave a comment below. I'd be happy to do that. But this covers, you know, how to sign up for Amazon Associates. I hope you really enjoyed this video on how to sign up for Amazon Associates. I cannot wait to hear about what products you're trying to sell. Let me know in the comments down below. It's time to start making some money on Amazon. I can't wait to hear about your success.
Hey, thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate it. If you liked the content in this video and want to see more videos like this, please click the subscribe button. Make sure to click the little bell icon and turn on all notifications so when I come out with new content, you'll be notified.